Hello. In this short tutorial, we will be going through the process of how to register for our Freshers Moot. First, open your web browser and type MCASOEL. Click on the first link. This will take you right into our MCA website, where we frequently upload news about all the latest Moot Court competitions. To register for our Freshers Moot, click on the News tab, which you would find on the top right corner. This will take you to a page where all the competitions are posted. Scroll down till you find the one which says Freshers Moot 2020 to 2021. Click on that. You will find the Moot proposition and the rules and regulations attached. There's also a registration link attached. You will find a Google form which you have to fill in for registering yourself for the Freshers Moot. Team codes will be allotted after this, which will let you know the sides that you would be arguing for in the competition. A Moot court not only helps in enhancing legal knowledge, but it also helps in brushing up communication, drafting, legal research and presentation skills. Most importantly, it helps in boosting your confidence. You can be the next winner in a Moot court competition. But participating in Freshers is the first baby step. So go ahead and register right away.